So the club is newly formed, a merger between Graig FC and Villadino FC. One of the reasons we wanted to do that was to bring two really successful established junior clubs together, helping us to grow and meet the provision in the local area for boys and girls football. This year we're introducing 7s, 8s, 9s, 10s and 11s girls teams, so we're really proud to have developed that over the past 18 months and look forward hopefully to developing and establishing our first women's team in the not too distant future.
We really wanted to partner with a team that shares our core principles and values, and this club does that. It gives every child of every ability and every background the opportunity to play the beautiful game.
The costs of running grassroots football go a lot further than just the kits. Obviously you can see we have to provide cones, hiring pitches, training equipment, but also key for all coaches in Wales is to do their Football Leaders Award, and that's been really important establishing a One Wales approach to grassroots football. So all our volunteer coaches will have gone through the Football Leaders Award through the FAW, and funding from organisations like McDonald's plays a really important part in helping us to fund that education. That helps provide better coaching for the children.
It's really great that McDonald's support us because they give us kits and equipment to play.
I think the key thing is, as you can see from the players tonight, we've been able to grow the game, in particular the girls' game. The demand is really high at the moment, obviously with the success of the Welsh national team. Support from organisations like McDonald's means we can grow the game in the community, but keep the financial burden as low as possible on parents, making sure it's accessible for everybody.
I'm really proud to have won this award because it's really important to be able to help the community. As a female leader of the restaurant, it's really nice that we'll be able to support the female football team as well.